Hello everyone, this is Ashmita this side, and here in today's introductory class we are going to talk about a little bit about English grammar. Now let's start with the very first thing, that is parts of speech. Now what can we include under parts of speech? We can include nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. So in details, we're going to talk about all these parts of speech. Starting with the nouns, very basic thing, you all know about that. Nouns include name, place, animal, bird, or thing. These are the common things that we all have known since our childhood. But very few know that we can also include abstract nouns, material nouns, concrete nouns, and also collective nouns. So we do miss these portions where in abstract nouns we know we can include feelings which we cannot touch, which we cannot see, or we can only feel abstract nouns. Like let's take some examples. We can include love, freedom, liberty, fraternity, hatred. All these would come under abstract nouns. Coming to concrete nouns, any kind of thing can be included under concrete nouns. Material nouns, under material nouns we can include anything which is a material. Like let's take the example of trees, doors, windows, smartphones, laptops, anything. Any material can be considered under material nouns. Coming to collective nouns, collective nouns means groups. Now how can we talk about groups? Like a flock of sheep, a pack of wolves, okay, a muster of peacocks. So basically we are talking about animals or birds in groups. I first discussed about all the tough nouns, but let's go back to some easier nouns. Since the starting of nouns, the knowledge of starting of nouns, we have come to know that there are two types of nouns basically. One is this proper noun and second is this common noun. So what are these? Proper nouns are those nouns which can be started with capital letters, like special names we are talking about, like the names of a monument or the name of a subject. Let's take the name of a monument, like Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Taj Mahal T and Mahal M would be in capital, and that's a special name. Or if I say the name of a person named Rudra, so Rudra R would be capital and that name is a special name, so it would come under proper noun. All right. Then let's go to common nouns. What can be common nouns? Like it can be anything that is both common, like baby. If I say baby can be male, female, and yeah, it's a common noun. That was one example, and the other examples would be trees, or yeah, tree is a common noun until and unless we name the tree. Like if I say banyan tree or neem tree or mango tree, then it's becoming a specific name. Okay, then again if I say Alfonso mango tree, then that would be a totally different name given to a tree, so that would come under proper nouns. So normally if I say the tree has lots of leaves, that tree has lots of leaves, so if I say this sentence, it would definitely come under common noun. Okay, tree would be common over here. Let's take some other examples also. This bag is made of plastic. So here bag and plastic both are nouns, and it would be common nouns. Okay. Yeah, that was it for today's video. If you want to know more about these things, especially regarding parts of speech which is considered to be one of the like important foundations of English grammar, then you can follow here. I'll be continuing with parts of speech in my next videos.